Larry on the beat.
I mean, it'll work, but it mighty dang on close.
Hey guys, if you've been keeping up and enjoying the channel and you want to find a way to reach out and support P.O.E, check out the P.O.E merch shop down in the description below. Got the P.O.E shirts in, guys. So I recently just got the merch shirts in. I have a video with the back looks like. You guys be sure to check out the P.O.E merch shop down in the description below. Thank you.
Hey, that pole be that close to that wheel.
What?
That, look how close it gonna be to that wheel. It probably be that close to that wheel.
Drag on back, I have to check. Ease back now. Ease back. I'll tell you when to stop. Come on back. Cut your wheel all the way to your left. Cut your wheel with the hole off. Cut your wheel to your left a little bit and come back. What, you got a pin?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
To your right of you.
What are you?
Right there.
Alright?
Right there.
Okay, ease back. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Ease back. Yep, don't let it jump, just ease back. Come up just a little bit.
Oh.
Just a little bit now.
Oh, wait.
Ease, just ease down. Let it ease. Let it keep going like it's going. Ease it down.
Damn, I hope I don't get that time.
You won't go out. Just, it'll go.
Cause it ain't going. Come from behind now.
Alright, don't bag up no more.
Alright.
You need to ease up a half.
Alright. Come in the front. I don't know what's going on with it.
Come on. You keep holding right there. Just a half. Hold it right there.
You think you can get it?
Take it out of here. We'll get that jack.
Alright. Mine might down me. We ain't quite got the right pins in. But we got some in. I just told you. Hey. Oh no, I don't think that might be a good idea, mister.
It's better than that pin. That's right. You can pick it up. There it goes. Hey, it should pull up now. Pull up. Hold. Hey, pull up 2 feet. Come on, go ahead.
Hey, why bad just catch break?
Whoa.
He readjusted it. What they gonna do now? We're gonna have to put the 3-point on.
Too close.
We gotta put the 3-point on.
Why is this? Too close. Huh?
It ain't meant for that tractor.
Huh?
It ain't meant for that tractor.
See it, don't.
Yeah. We gonna have to.
Too close.
Oh.
See you bag back without hitting them blades. Wait a minute, hold on. Might have to leave it here, hold on. You don't be able to bang it back. I'll be it on the side. Man, lay it down and cut it off. That's all. Gotta leave it there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hang on. Look at right here, top. Look.
Oh, dang.
Now you see what I'm talking about.
That one gonna work.
No,
That one gonna work.
that ain't gonna work. Hey, that's right. Lay it down. I ain't in the way of nobody. Lay it down right there.
All right. This thing massive though. But unfortunately, ain't much we can do with it.
Yeah. See where it ease down some without touching the ground.
Alright. Nah. Alright. Ah, this bull crap, ain't it?
Well, y'all idea is too. I told we need to wait. Huh?
I mean, we had to find out some type of way.
Now you see. I'm comparing.
Alright,
I'm just being realistic.
so we ain't gonna be able to hit with the John Deere?
It's not.
What you think we gonna be able to do, have to do?
If it is, gonna be no problem. If this ain't gonna be clever on top of nothing. Huh?
Yeah.
Now you following me. Huh? You see what the problem is? You can't go no field like that. Man, that thing be a jump up top of tire, this thing here be a jump up top of that truck and killed you. Oh yeah, dead and the tractor down in the woods. How did it happen? It can happen. Same shit happened one time like I just have killed one time. Would you tell you about that? That thing
Yeah,
you
I
had
know.
hooked to, jumped up top of the tractor where you was. Like mess about. You imagine somebody just end up cutting on top of the tire and then jumping on top of that tractor.
Yo.
And he's gonna smash the cab in. This is enough steel, bro.
So you gonna
meat and bone. Ain't
So-
no match.
so you gonna put the John Deere on the disc?
I said, John Deere Tractor this.
And the case to the hipper.
That's right. Yeah, you see me helping the time.
Oh yeah.
Hey, John Deere handle the disc and the door.
And the case gonna handle the planter.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. We can't forget about the sprayer. The John Deere gotta do that too. He said you right. He said it's right. So earlier we ended up taking the 3-point off the case. Now we got it on this here truck. And we gonna hope this solve our problem. We know we're gonna have to adjust the hipper. Yeah. Yeah, so hopefully that solves our problem. Yeah. Yeah, this thing. Uh-oh. So I loosen that bolt. And I done brought this over from there to right there. So we got the 3-point on, we had lined up, so that's how we know what to line it up. Yes, sir. Now I think that 3-point might work, sir. I think your 3-point might work. Huh? Alright.
sure they don't gonna work. Cause you see, it's steady getting close to that top, man. So what's y'all opinion on this? We might not be able to use the hipper on the John Deere. I think that's what's going on. Dang. So, get back with y'all.